meron tayo dito pasalubong ni Mrs. na lumpia. Iyon oh, di ba paborito natin? Meron tayo dito crispy pata lechon, lechon na pata. Binili doon sa ate kuya. Tsaka meron tayo dito papaitan. Papaitan, yan oh.
Daniel.
Try natin yung papaitan. Huh. Oh,
Malamig.
Tingnan mo naman.
oh. Huh.
Facebook will block you.
Papaitan, sarap.
Show them the nukhba. Where's the nukhba?
Manok ba?
Mukbang.
Nukhba, nukhba.
And then, meron tayo dito lumpia. Kasama ka nga.
Nasobrahan mo sa ano to, barbecue sauce. Kain.
Hop. Nagimas. Ang baga sa Israel, ang taim.
Ba Israel, Homer, Daniel. Ba Israel, taig. Ba Philippine,
Hindi yung crispy
masarap.
pata.
Masarap.
Sarap. Nakakain din sa wakas.
Nukhba, nukhba.
Pagkatapos ng ilang taon.
From Gaza. Nukhba.
Ito oh, sarap. Nagimas.
Daniel, matarot sa memeni.
Hmm.
Matarot sa kay Daniel.
Siyempre, meron tayong
You want
cucumber.
me to shoot that?
Daniel.
I just saw the C on it. Spicy.
Nagpalagay na naman si Daniel.
May pasaway Daniel is putting spicy.
Chili.
Chili.
Sarap.
How can I put Julia?
You told me.
Sarap.
Daniel, say curry.
Cucumber.
Curry.
Really? So why do you put it?
Ito yung paborito ko. Lumpia.
Pompia.
Lumpia. It's not pumpia. Pumpia
Pumpiang
is
daw.
the grinder. Nakon? It's pumpia
Sana
dito.
all.
Nakon?
Shout out dyan sa ate kuya. Restaurant sa Tel Aviv. Napakasarap ng binili ni Mrs. kanina dyan.
You told me you ate a minute ago?
No. All this food I bought in
Ate Kuya
Philippine
restaurant.
store in Ate Kuya, Tel Aviv. Masih Kador. Kador. It's not Kadorsal. Kadorpe.
Something like that.
Sarap.
No, I'm saying, did he tell them that he ate a second ago? Now he's eating again?
A little bit.
A little bit.
No.
A little bit.
Why do you do the noise? People want to eat this or that?
To invite people also to eat.
Spicy?
Hindi
Oh my
maanghang.
god, you eat the whole thing in 3 minutes.
Hindi maanghang.
A little bit.
That last.
Ano ni Shoelet? Yung Zachary. Homer. A little bit.
What? It isn't spicy.
For you.
What?
Yan mga kapapo, solve tayo. Meron tayo ditong papaitan. Meron tayong lumpia. At saka meron tayo ditong lechon paksiw
Pum-
na
Patating.
patatim.
Lumpia is the thing for the bathroom if there's a plug.
Kaya maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Pam.